Learn these before you speak English. Sound confident. Sound professional. Let's begin.
Don't say I'll tell you later. Say instead I'll get back to you, meaning I will respond soon. I'll get back to you after I check this.
Don't say this is too much. Say let's keep it simple. Make things easier. Let's keep it simple and finish this quickly. Don't say I'll see. Say I'll look into it, meaning I will check carefully. I'll look into it and update you soon. Don't say okay, say that makes sense, meaning you understand clearly. That makes sense. Now I understand. Don't say I'll try, say I'll handle it, meaning you take responsibility.
I'll handle it. You don't worry.
Don't say what next. Say let's move forward, meaning continue progress. Let's move forward with this plan. Don't say thanks. Say I appreciate it, meaning show genuine gratitude.
I appreciate it.
I appreciate it. That really helped. Don't say, okay. Say, that works for me, meaning professional agreement. That works for me. Let's go ahead. Don't say we'll see. Say let's sort this out,
Okay,
meaning solve the problem.
I understand.
Let's sort this out before it gets worse. Don't say I'll tell you. Say I'll keep you posted, meaning give regular updates. I'll keep you posted as things change. Start using these today. Speak better every day. Subscribe to Speak Smarter every day.